If you're still broke this time next year, it won't be because there are no opportunities online. It will be because you spent your time chasing hustles instead of building something real. Every week, there's a new easy money method. Dropshipping today, crypto tomorrow, AI tools everywhere. People jump in, get excited, then quit and start again. The problem is not the hustle. The problem is chasing hype, without building skills. Smart people do something different. They focus on skills, not trends. Skills like content creation, video editing, digital marketing, and AI. Every business wants attention, customers, and growth. If you can help them get that, you get paid. Smart people don't just learn skills, they turn them into systems. That's how income becomes consistent. Most people try to learn everything and master nothing. Success comes from focusing on one skill and fouls and getting really good at it.
Choose one skill. Learn it. Practice daily. Use it to solve problems.
One skill can change your life. One sheep bars your life.
Subscribe to Lessons by Emmy Dollars, because here, we don't chase hype. We build smart money habits.